Hey everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to show you the 2020 Bennington 22 GSR Tri-Tune powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower V6. This boat has the SPS Performance Package, also has the ski tow bar with power assist steering. It is the ocean blue color scheme with the silver Syntex and tinted silver seagrass flooring as well. Come on board, let me show you a better look. I love the interior on this boat with that silver Syntex upholstery with the carbon diamond accent. This boat has the inlaid cup holders and speakers with RBG color lighting. Now this is Syntex upholstery, so it runs about 15 to 20% cooler than standard upholstery. This is Bennington's newly designed bow table. It is removable. Being the GSR floor plan, this boat has the captain and co-captain's chair with the stern radius seats. And this one does have the bow filler seat. We do have it placed in the stern right now to get it out of the way so I can come in through the front door, but normally it's placed up there. Some people do even put it right here by the door as well. New console this year. Love this console. It's got the elevated helm, the throttle binnacle right there alongside the driver. We did the Simrad 7-inch dash on this and GPS. So all your gauges, GPS, and controls display right there on that screen. This boat does have the Kicker Bluetooth stereo as well. Plenty of power to have a boat full of people, pool skiers, tubers. Really looking forward to showing it to you. Come on out to MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.